Oh my gosh, it's like almost 10 o'clock in the evening and it feels like we just started the party. Kanina pa kami kumakain and ito nagluluto na naman sila. Ano ba ito? Round 1, round 2 or 3? Ala, ano na? May mga niluluto pang iba, okay? Ayan, oh, naubos na ngayong lechon. Kanina pa kami kumakain and they're cooking more. That was fun? Thank you. I really wanted to dance, you know? Grabe. Ano to? Hanggang anong oras tayo dito? Hanggang alas 4 ata tayo dito ah. Hindi naman. Hindi, I'm just saying. Hindi, kayong inaalala ko dahil kayong mga hindi sanay magpula. Pero parang alam niyo naman na nakapag salad master, inabot ng siyam-siyam.
Lori, she wants your phone number. I'm gonna give it to her, okay?